In the heart of the Industrial Revolution, a single invention transformed society: the steam engine. This marvel of engineering powered factories, revolutionizing production and transportation. It wasn't just about speed. It reshaped economies, enabling mass production and global trade. Imagine a world where goods were crafted by hand, then suddenly machines could produce them in hours. The steam engine's impact was profound, fueling urbanization and changing how people lived and worked. It was a catalyst for modern industry, a true game changer that set the stage for the technological advancements we see today.